Hello everybody, my name is Josh Williamson and welcome to my very first DIY for JW Vlogs. I have with me Langley Williamson.
Hey.
And JD Williamson.
I'm back, y'all.
There she is, yes. And so for this DIY, why are you laughing?
That was so stupid.
Anyways. Start again, but not really.
Cut!
No, there's no cut. Let's just keep going. So, for this DIY, we are doing the melted crayons. Is that what it's called?
I don't know.
Yes. No.
Huh?
Lava.
Mom? He's so random. It's melted crayon something.
That's just, you melt crayons on
Yes,
your
melted crayon. So anyways, what it is if you look here and you look here, those are some examples of some different types of melted crayons. For ourselves, what we're gonna do is down on this side here, this is gonna be green and it's gonna be all grass. So we're gonna put some grass going up and then, where's the blow dryer? Go grab the blow dryer. And then, so anyways, and then we're going to do the sky on this side, and that's what these crayons are here first. So we found our crayons first, we got what we needed, and then we peeled back a little bit of the way. The girls did that. And then what we also want to do is we want to put our handprints. So obviously we're just going to use these paints. We just have this acrylic paint. We're going to paint our hands and we're going to stick it on there. And as well is I made some stencils earlier and we are going to write family across the middle. We're going to see how that all works out. None of us have done this before. The only practice that we have really is this volcano looking thing. Turned out okay. Doesn't look too bad. So we'll see how ours turns out afterwards, right?
Yeah.
Jason has done this before.
Alright, so Jada has done this before.
Yeah,
A daycare?
oh yeah, daycare has done this.
So first thing we gotta do is we need to, well after we prep everything together, first thing we're gonna do is we gotta glue these crayons on or else they're gonna blow all over the place, which they found out the hard way already. So go ahead and start gluing those on, right? And then so after we're done gluing these all on, then once they've all set, which they should set by the time you do the other side, then the other side will have set. And then we'll start blow drying them both ways. And then we're gonna put the family across, but we're actually just gonna paint, use one of these paints for the inside, and then we'll do the handprints last. So now is the time for us to speed up. Now.
Now that we finished this side, we're going to flip it and do the other side.
Right.
Now to be very careful so the crayons do not move.
Right. And you know what else? Another thing that I need to do is make sure that I need to apologize for the audio too. Obviously my audio is way better, but my laptop is down and that's normally where I do all my, I usually use my microphone hooked up to my laptop, but this takes a different microphone and I don't have that right now. So, what, you don't know how to do this now?
No.
Yeah, do them in threes.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Okay. I'll just leave you this way.
So now back to speed mode. All right, now we're just doing the last two. There's one there and one more. So now that we've done this, I'm gonna take this up.
Sweet.
Actually, no, you know what? Let me just go.
Okay, so now that we're done.
Now, oh, you can see pretty good actually. So you don't need to hold it up, or you want to blow dry the other side first.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like. That's actually the way that it's going to be presented in the end. And that's the start. So now we're gonna do the blow dry. So we're probably gonna go back to fast mode now, and then you guys will be able to see what we're doing. Alright, so now we got the top part, the sky, I guess. This is kind of just our design, if you could see. Yeah, that's pretty neat, right? And then there's the bottom, it's gonna go back upwards, which is supposed to be the grass. Is it gonna look like that? Maybe not too much, but it does kind of look like it's raining.
It's raining tacos.
Yeah, so pretty cool so far. So now we're gonna flip it around and we're gonna let Jada do the next part. Okay, so now we're done. Alright, so I'll show you what that actually looks like now. It looks pretty neat.
Yeah.
Does it look like this guy in the grass? Nope, not really. But it definitely looks cool, for sure.
Yeah, really
It's,
cool.
it's our art, right? It's our design. And what are you doing? Come on, why is that there? So next what we're gonna do is, let's keep it like this. And then we'll kind of do everything kind of from the side. Now we're gonna do the paint. And what we'll do, we're gonna stagger this. So we should start maybe here, because the A is gonna be higher. So Jada, you're the painter. Paint. Do you want to put it inside here?
Put it on the newspaper.
We'll go through?
No.
Okay, you say so.
We do at school because
So, yeah, now we're going to paint these stencils on. We're going to stagger family across. So, go ahead. Okay.
Can someone hold it? Should I just hold?
Okay. Oh, is that going to be dark enough? Oh God. What were we thinking? That's why we needed black.
Kind of needs just
you knew.
You knew and you didn't say nothing to us?
Press it.
It needs to be, okay, you put that on thick. Yeah, this needs to be thick.
You get us out of here, working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. We don't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and find and see what it means to be living. You and I can both get jobs and find and see what it means to be living. inside of here, working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. We don't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and fly to see what it means to be living.
You should say La Senza.
It does not say La Senza.
What do you see the Lizenza?
She thinks my shirt says La Senza.
La Senza.
La Senza.
Lizenza.
It doesn't even look bad. The fit with it a little bit on the thinner side. So, anyways, after this, what are we gonna do, girls?
We're gonna put our hands on it, our feet prints.
We're gonna put our hand on my dad's head.
Yes.
We're gonna put
Wonderful.
our footprints.
And then we're
We're
gonna
not-
put my dad's head onto the painting.
Because people have footprints.
That's how cool we are.
I have to fix my sock, it's bothering me.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Yeah, your sock is bothering me too.
It's been a
This is, well, no one can even see you anyways, but off camera, she's taking her socks off.
Yeah, my sock
And it
was on.
stinks.
No, it doesn't.
What is that?
My sock doesn't.
Have you ever showered?
Actually,
Why does it smell like
you know,
that?
I'm not gonna admit that on camera.
What? That you normally have stinky feet?
No.
You know what? She cannot.
Do
We already know this.
you
This
know
is
why my
some-
hair's been in a ponytail for like a long time?
Because you haven't showered?
Yeah.
Well, that's old.
It's winter break.
Okay, put your hand, put that down.
Okay.
Do you see what it's like? Never work with animals and children.
So Jade is the animal.
Huh?
Jade is the animal.
Just trying to fix this up a bit.
Yeah.
Once
I'm
this
the
dry,
animal
we
that
can.
does-
Once this dries, we can fix this up again. But for now, we have to kind of deal with it. Once it gets tacky, you don't want to try to move it around, otherwise it gets messed up. But honestly, after this is done, it looks a little bit better. It's actually not too bad. So, kind of cool.
Fingers through here.
No, you might end up breaking the glue stick. Alright, so my hand is gonna fit.
No, yours is going in the middle.
Yeah, it'll go in the middle, but I'm just making sure that our hands will fit. So next step we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and put our handprints on there. Is this washable?
Yes.
No.
Yes, it is.
Actually, leave your hand looking tinted blue for a little bit, so that's it. I've done this before.
Your hands are too dark.
I
You can see through it.
No.
My
It's
hands you
white.
cannot.
You think we need more paint?
We can
Oh, there's a bug! I just swore.
Oh my god.
It's a bug! You're not gonna be able to blow it off. It's stuck in there. Hold on, before it dries, but look. There's a bug. Can you see? I don't know if you can see.
it's not
Okay,
focused.
hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up!
Quick, quick, quick. It's
Don't
gonna
blow it. You're gonna make it dry faster. Okay, do you think I should go now? Breathing a lot. Put my hand on the crayons. I suck at this game.
Go,
See,
go,
I
go.
just do that.
Go.
Wait, are we
Just
all...
try to put it right there. Okay, that's good. Take it off.
Please don't let a fly in there. Literally, my hands are closing now.
Open your hands.
It's gonna leak.
Well, why did you open them in the first place?
You told me to open
I know. Why did you close them in the first place?
Because I didn't want you to put it on yet.
You said hurry up, put it on.
You can clean my whole hand.
I'm trying, Jada. You keep moving.
No, that's one time.
Okay, go.
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 You need to put a door on my arm.
Don't, please. Okay, one more. Give her some more.
You have to put it exactly.
Just do it like this. Just rub it in your hands.
Rub it in your hands.
You don't really need anyone to paint it.
It's
That's
just
nice.
Okay, go. Make sure you get it perfect.
perfect.
Well, as close as possible.
That's me.
No.
Don't. That's okay. It worked
What
out.
happened?
Ow!
It's okay. Go wash. Hey, your turn. What are you gonna do? What are you doing? That one? Okay.
Oh, my hand just went tickly.
Huh?
I don't want
I want you to do it this way, okay?
my nails.
Oh my god!
Okay.
She's like a lady. Oh my god, it's my nail.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Okay, make a fist. Okay, go back. I think you're good. Yeah, go in here, get in that crack. Ew, you're spilling. Okay, okay. Do it. Don't move my hand. That's okay, you can touch my hand a little bit.
Ew, I don't want to touch you.
Oh, it's good.
See, I'm really good at this.
Okay, you want more?
No, I'm
No,
okay.
don't. Go wash your hand.
I'm really good at this.
Okay, get right here. Hey everybody, so this is it. This is our portrait or our DIY for melted crayons. Is that what it's called? I still don't remember what it's called.
Canvas crayons.
Canvas melting crayons, whatever it's called. Alright everybody, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, leave a big like. If you guys have not subscribed, subscribe right now. If you guys want to see more DIYs, more vlogs, anything you want to see, comment down in that comment section. That's where I want to see you. You guys are going to see me in my next video. Take care everybody. Love you all. Peace. Yes, special thank you to Langley Williamson. Special thank you to Jada Beans. Alrighty guys, again, peace. We're out
Don't
of here.
forget!
Don't drink and drive.
Don't forget Jada's account.
Yeah,
Don't forget Jada's account, she's in the account one.
don't call me Jada Beans. Forget about it.
What if it wasn't recording?